Welcome to the demonstration video from FORBIX Semicon, a wireless automation product design company. Here, we are showing the demo for the wireless remote control siren system. Pressing the remote triggers a loud siren continuously. In an event of emergency or panic, person needs to activate siren and alert neighbors. It is also possible to trigger sirens momentarily. The siren sound can be adjusted from as low as 10 decibels to as high as 90 decibel loudness, thanks to the volume control knob. The signal reception can also be improved by extending the metal antenna. The remote runs on 12-volt battery, which lasts for over 4 years before a battery replacement. The receiver runs on 12-volt power supply, and this is how to connect. Thank you for watching this video. Write to us at sales@forbixsemicon.com.